Okay.
Perfect. You've been waiting for this moment for a
time.
long time. When we did Earl Grey ice cream, I said, "Is it your favorite?" And you said, "Yeah, but maybe strawberry is my favorite." And then we made chocolate ice cream. And I said, "Is it your favorite?" And you said, "Yeah, but also strawberry." So I think your real favorite is strawberry.
Yes.
I think I know why it's your favorite.
Because
It is
pink.
exactly.
Daddy needs ingredients. Cream. Lemon. Eggs. Half.
Okay.
Let's go to see what it was. Strawberry? Sugar?
That's everything we need, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
Let's get started! Shaking.
we're gonna cut them up more now. What a billion strawberries.
Oh, that's too many! That makes me want to scream!
So we're gonna cut it into smaller pieces. Just pop, 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 pop.
Okay.
Feel free to help. Pop, pop. There you go. Pop, pop. Put some lemon on it.
Squeeze it.
So we're gonna
Yes.
take half a lemon.
I'm going to do it too.
Are you strong enough to juice the lemon?
Yeah.
You wanna try it? Okay, squeeze it as hard as you can. See if you can get any juice out. You gotta squeeze it through this so we don't get seeds in the. Oh, you're getting juice! Oh yeah! Squeeze harder. Oh, how is it?
Good.
You don't like it? There we go, that should be good enough. Now we're gonna take some sugar.
Which button?
That one.
I did start.
Okay, it says zeros now, so we're gonna put it until it says 50.
Sugar.
So we're gonna put 50 grams of sugar on it. So it says 50. What does it say now? It says 10. So we know we need
10.
about 5 spoons.
Huh?
Perfect. We're gonna mix. Get all the strawberries nice and coated with sugar. And then we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. There you go. Ah, you got it.
That's it.
Oh, hey. Where's
What's going inside there?
cream?
That cream looks very
Creamy.
creamy.
Oh, you got it. Now open it up where you cracked it. Close, close, close. Keep going, keep going. No, not like that. Ah! The shell's gonna go in that one. So, yep, and then pull apart like that.
And now we're going to mix it.
Beautiful.
Ah.
We're not gonna mix it.
Aggies.
Do you wanna go wash your hands and I'll do the other 3?
Yes.
Okay.
That's so free.
See you in a minute.
Okay.
Like that, and then open. Boop.
Now there's 2 eggs.
There's 2. Now there's 3. There's 1 more to do. Perfect. So we take out just the yellow parts, okay? Are you sleepy?
No.
I got you. So, our cones are ready. Should I go get the ice cream?
Yes.
Sit here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go right there to the freezer.
Huh?
And I'll bring it back, okay?
Okay.
Give me a boost. Give me a boost. Give me a little shove. Ah, there we go. Thanks. Whew. Ice cream.
Huh?
It's tricky. You gotta screw it like this. Yeah, I go. Boing.
Boing.
Does that look good?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice and pink.
Yes, I like pink.
And we got our magical ice cream scoop. So we got it in hot water. Actually, I need you to hold the cone for me because I can't put it down. So, take a nice scoop. And then we put it in. And that's for you.
Thank you.
And now we'll do Mummy's. A nice scoop for Mummy. There Here you go, Mommy.
And then for you.
And then for me.
Thank you.
I hand it to you because I love you.
Oh, that's really sweet. Thank you for your help. I love you too. And then one for Daddy. Kanpai! Hey, kanpai! Mmm. So, we made chocolate, we made Earl Grey, we made matcha, and now we made strawberry. Now you can tell me which one is your favorite.
This one.
This one? Awesome, because it's pink. What if we did pink chocolate? Would that be crazy?
Yes.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I could eat the whole thing very fast.
I know, and then you're gonna want another one. And we're eating ice cream before dinner. We're having pre-dessert.
Today we're going to make chocolate ice cream.
What?
How are you, Daddy? My name is Ruby.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Dad.
Maybe cut. This isn't going well.
Melon?
Lemon. Maybe we should say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Again.
Woo!
Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next time.
See you next time.